What is baking soda bicarbonate of soda?
Hello and welcome to our video today. We're about to delve into a subject that is surprisingly fascinating: the humble yet powerful baking soda, also known as bicarbonate of soda. Let's find out what it is, why it's called two different things, and why it's a superstar in both the culinary and science worlds.
What is baking soda?
Let's start with the basics. Baking soda is a white, crystalline powder that's used as a leavening agent in baking. Its chemical name is sodium bicarbonate, and its formula is sodium hydrogen carbonate. This means it's a compound made of sodium, hydrogen, carbon, and oxygen. When combined with an acidic ingredient and a liquid, baking soda undergoes a chemical reaction that releases carbon dioxide gas. This is what causes dough or batter to rise, creating those light and fluffy textures we love in our cakes, cookies, and breads.
Baking soda versus bicarbonate of soda. Is there a difference?
This is where some confusion might occur. Baking soda and bicarbonate of soda are actually the same thing. The names are used interchangeably, but they both refer to the same chemical compound, sodium bicarbonate. The term baking soda is more commonly used in the United States, while bicarbonate of soda is often used in the United Kingdom and other places.
Why is baking soda important?
So why do we care about baking soda? Besides its role in baking, it's also valued for its versatility. Its ability to neutralize both acids and bases makes it useful in a variety of applications. It's often used as a household cleaner, since it can help scrub away tough stains without scratching surfaces. It also acts as a deodorizer by neutralizing odors rather than just masking them. In the field of medicine, it can be used to treat heartburn and indigestion, as it can neutralize excess stomach acid. Additionally, baking soda is often used in classroom science experiments to demonstrate chemical reactions. Think about those erupting volcanoes you made in school. In conclusion, the remarkable baking soda, or bicarbonate of soda if you prefer, is much more than just an ingredient in our baked goods. Its properties and uses extend beyond the kitchen, making it a fascinating and indispensable item in our everyday lives. We hope you found this deep dive into baking soda enlightening and enjoyable. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next exploration.